Grammar family. There is a family in London whose surname is Grammar. There is a couple, Mr. Noun and Mrs. Verb. The couple has 3 children, a son, pronoun, and 2 daughters, adverb and adjective. The son, pronoun, has to do all the work of his father in his absence. The 2 daughters love each other, but there is difference in them. Adjective loves her father and brother and keeps praising them. Adverb loves her mother more and she always modifies her when there is a need. There are 2 servants in the family. Preposition and conjunction. The preposition is the chief servant. He is an official servant of his master. Conjunction is the family servant and looks after every member of the family. The interjection joins the family in times joy and sorrow.